This is part 2 of a video series about oregano, how to safely use it as an herb in culinary uses, as the oil of oregano, and as the essential oil, which are not the same. Let's clear up some of the confusion. My name is Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with over 20 years of experience with essential oils. I'm also an herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner. Basically, I can help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. If you found this information helpful, please follow, and more than anything, please add yourself to my mailing list. So I was just clarifying that oil of oregano herbal oil is not the same as oregano essential oil. What's confusing is that a lot of the articles out there written about oregano essential oil are written as if they're about oil of oregano and vice versa, and it's super confusing. And so you might get into an article that makes it sound like it's safe to do something with oregano essential oil, but what they're actually talking about is the oil of oregano herbal oil, which is safe to use in a lot of ways that this is not. Oregano essential oil contains compounds called phenols. Phenol, F sound, think fire, think hot. This is something that can burn you and should be used very sparingly, if at all. Specifically, in oregano, we have carvacrol and thymol. Now, some of you in my comments have asked questions about this because you've been using oregano essential oil on your skin undiluted, which is a huge no-no. And it's probably an innocent mistake because you meant to be using oil of oregano herbal oil, which is okay to use on your skin. Jane Buckle, Clinical Aromatherapy, one of my favorite references here. The essential oils contradicted for undiluted topical application include oregano, etc. So as I was saying in an earlier video, the only time that I use oregano on the skin is in very specific formulations that I formulate as an aromatherapist. And I'm not going to explain to you how to do that because it needs to be then applied under supervision and only for a short period of time for very specific things such as toenail fungus. This is why oregano is so appealing to people. This is what happens to a petri dish filled with bacteria that are exposed to these 3 different essential oils. This is from one of Kurt Schnabelt's books, and you can see that oregano is really effective against the bacteria. So the problem with that is that a lot of studies that are done on essential oils are done in a petri dish, and there's a lot of problems in the transfer of the essential oil into the human body, especially with oregano because it's so hot. Go to part 3 to learn the last little bit of information about oregano.